In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate nodes in Cinema 4D while preserving input connections. If you work with materials or scene nodes, you know how much time it can save to reuse parts of a setup without rebuilding every connection. The good news is, Cinema 4D lets you duplicate nodes while keeping their incoming connections intact, so you can expand your graphs confidently and stay in the creative flow. Start inside the node editor and choose the node or nodes you want to duplicate. You can click a single node or select several at once by dragging a selection box or by shift-clicking additional nodes. The key is to make sure the nodes you want are clearly highlighted before you begin. Now, with your selection active, press and hold the Shift key. Keep it held down and at the same time press and hold Control if you're on Windows or Command if you're on a Mac. With both modifier keys held, click directly on your selection and drag it to the spot where you want the duplicate to live. As you drag, you'll see a copy of the nodes moving with your cursor, making it easy to position them neatly and keep your graph readable. Here's the important part. When you're happy with the placement, release the mouse button first, and then let go of the keys. Releasing the mouse before the modifiers confirms the duplication rather than moving the original nodes. If you accidentally let go of the keys too early, you might just move the selection instead of copying it, so that order matters. You'll now see the duplicated nodes appear, and their incoming connections will be preserved. That means any wires feeding into the original nodes are also driving the duplicates, which is incredibly helpful for branching variations, layering effects, or testing alternate parameter values. Typically, outgoing connections from the original nodes won't be carried over, so you remain in control of how the new copies feed downstream. If nothing seems to duplicate, double-check that both Shift and Control or Command were held while dragging, and that you release the mouse before the keys. It also helps to give yourself space in the canvas. Zooming out slightly and snapping duplicates into a tidy grid can keep complex setups manageable. That's all there is to it. With a simple drag while holding Shift and Control or Command, you can duplicate nodes and keep their inputs intact, speeding up your workflow for complex materials and scene node rigs.